Here's how to hard reset any Android phone. Now, the first option you have to do is a hard reset on your phone. Make sure it's unlocked, and from the unlocked state, we're going to press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time. When we press those, you'll be able to see it pops up with the power off, but we're just going to continue to hold it because we want to do a force restart on your phone. You can see if I continue to press and hold, it will boot off or shut down the phone, and then it will boot up or turn on the phone after that. After I see that Samsung logo or whatever logo you see, you can lift your fingers up and it will restart that phone. So this is the first option and it force restarts it. However, you might want to force reset it back to factory default. I'll show you how to do that as well. So let me just enter in my password here. What we're going to do is turn the phone off and then get into recovery mode. So I'm going to press and hold this power button and then hit power off and power off. So completely turn off your phone first. And now to be able to start it in recovery mode, we're going to press and hold the volume up and the power button at the exact same time. So press and hold volume up and power button until you see the logo appear. There we go. And then you can take your finger off. Just like that, you're going to boot it up in recovery mode. You can see Android recovery here. All I need to do is go down until it says wipe data and factory reset. It says if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter your Google account information associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So you will need to log in with your email and password, but it will bring it back to factory default as if you just got that Android phone.